SpaceX's Crew-5 mission has successfully completed its journey, with the Dragon spacecraft named Endurance returning to Earth on Saturday evening. The capsule safely splashed down off the coast of Florida after spending 5 months at the International Space Station (ISS), with 4 crew members aboard, including NASA astronauts Josh Cassada and Nicole. Mann, Japan's Koichi Wakata, and Russian cosmonaut Anna Kikina. During the mission, the 4 crew members spent a total of 157 days in orbit, making history in several ways. Mann became the first Native American woman to fly in space, and Kikina was the first Russian cosmonaut to fly aboard a private American spacecraft. This milestone was made possible after NASA and Roscosmos signed a seat-sharing agreement last year. Amid increasing tensions between the US and Russia due to the war in Ukraine, for Wakata, this mission marked his 5th return from space, setting a Japanese record. The mission also marked the second time that the Endurance spacecraft successfully carried a crew back to Earth, following its previous mission with the Crew-3 crew last fall. The spacecraft will now undergo safety checks and refurbishment at SpaceX's Dragon Lair facility in Florida in preparation for its next flight. Notably absent from the mission was NASA astronaut Frank Rubio, who had flown to the ISS on the Russian Soyuz spacecraft MS-22. After the spacecraft developed a coolant leak following an apparent micrometeorite strike, the Endurance crew temporarily retrofitted their ride to carry Rubio in case of an emergency evacuation from the ISS, as Roscosmos determined that MS-22 could only safely transport 2 people. However, they later removed those modifications after Russia sent a replacement Soyuz spacecraft to bring Rubio and cosmonauts Sergei Prokopyev and Dmitry Petlin back to Earth.